Meow, Hooble's cat. Just munching on some soya protein. It's okay. But with the pocket box, if you follow along, I got one of these, a UVPaqlite, and I thought, oh. So I emailed him and said, hey, I've got a very small YouTube channel, I'd like to try these out, got some ideas what I use them for, can you send me some? So they ignored me, and then in the post I got these. There's no note or explanation, but it's to try out, I guess. And I also got a big one of these, quite pleased with. So what is this? This is strontium, I'll get this right, strontium aluminate crystals. Non-toxic, made in the USA. You have to keep them vacuum packed, I'm sure air destroys them. Any light source, sun, flashlight, a fire, will actually store energy into the crystals, which when it gets dark they'll liberate out and radiate out. So it's like a light green light. So although the glow stick, they say, will not be as bright as those chemical break ones, it'll last forever. Well, that's pretty important. They also work underwater apparently, though I don't think I'll be trying that out. So we'll see tonight just how bright these are. And you can put them on different pieces of equipment and find them, I guess is the idea. But my main use of these, I think, would be perimeter defense. If you hang these up in the trees during the day, you're not really going to see them. Make sure they get some sunlight on them. Then at night you'll get a diffuse low level, very low level green light. So you should be able to see movement a lot better than just going by your eyesight, or you're trying to find a flashlight to spot people. We'll see. Clouding over. Typical here, it will cloud over during the day and often will storm at night. So I'll see how it goes. I'm kind of hopeful that I don't have to put the fly sheet on the tent, but if I do, I can. You guys like this meat jerky stuff, right? This is a fake tofu version of it. I don't know. Sugary, salty. Sure, it's not good for you. Chemicals as well. Later. Overall, I'd recommend the UVPaqlite for finding objects in bags. The light is very, very low. If you are very familiar with your equipment, like you're putting a rifle together or something like that, it would help for that. It's also excellent for finding the paths at night in a dark forest. So I do think it has a definitive place, but the main thing I would recommend you use for perimeter lighting is BioLite. So the reason I was excited about this is I can hang this isn't hung high enough, it's in a tree, and then with the cord, basically I can attach it through the tent, still keeping the bugs out, and attach it to my normal flashlight from BioLite that I use.